Hey friends, I just want to take you for a little walk through my Mzanzi album. So basically for this I have used an Mzanzi bulk pack, and I think I added an extra 2 sheets of kraft and then a pack of brown for the photo mats. If you have a look, you'll see that I did the Africa, the chippy, and then I added from the sticker sheet, and then on the side I have just got an Ellie, and then at the base I added a little South African flag. So this is a freebie that I'm going to be adding to my YouTube channel. I'm going to try and add it tonight, starting off with a pocket on that side. There's also a pocket on this side, and then I've got an acetate sheet where you could plot your journey. I've got some little dots. You can rub those out as well using a normal eraser. I've used a Sharpie to just put those dots in. On the first page, just a pocket, and then opening onto the second page with Cape Town. I didn't want to cover that image, so I've made, using a piece of acetate, I've made a pocket so that it slides in. It's just a belly band that slides in, and then along with the belly band I have a pocket so that if you've got photos you can store them there. Okay, on this side I have done various ideas with pages, some with big photo mats where you could put a couple of little photos, or a big photo with journaling. So basically this is all about giving you ideas. So there's very little in the way of clusters or anything in this album. Okay, so I've used the Wanderlust paper pack as well, and there we have one idea of pages. Then onto the Karoo is the second one, and for this one I've used just a big paper clip and a piece of ribbon, and to that I've given you some more ideas on pages. So these will be you will be shown how to do these on the YouTube videos. I did clip this one closed. You can go all the way through to the other side, or just clip it on that way. This one we have the Karoo, again the other side of the Karoo, and I've just got some simple photos there. Flipping over, I've got the Kruger National. Now there is a fatal error. There's a big problem with this album, because I thought in the construction of the album, if I put it up and show you, these 2 pages meet here, and they meet closely. Okay, so basically like that, and I put the heavier, so the heavier pages here, where I should have put them in the gap where there is a bigger gap to cope with it. So just if you're making the album, just think of that. You'll notice that I haven't completed these albums. This is more an album to give you ideas on how to make the album or how to create the pages than how to decorate. So this one, because it's the Kruger and you always take 5 million photos at the Kruger, we've got a lot of space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, plus a little pocket to put extras in, plus the back of these pages, another 2 there. And if I remember correctly, I had that, clipping that closed, and then on this side I also had like a little piece of acetate extending it, plus a space the back of this one, and then also it opens that way, plus it opens like so. Okay, so quite a lot of space, but honestly just remember that if you are making it, if you're using my instructions on how to make it, keep your smaller things in here in the very close pages, and keep the space where there is a gap like that for your bigger pages, your bigger places you're going to have more photos. Sorry, got no words this afternoon. Opening up these Gauteng, and I've just repeated the photo on this side, so nice and simple. These I haven't even put a ribbon on. And then here's Durban, or KZN Coast, and what I did with this one is I made it double, so I've got the front and the back, creating a pocket, and then onto some more space. You can see I haven't really decorated. this one is just a tuck space. So this whole thing is shown to you. I don't know why I didn't put anything there, because I put on most of the other pages. And then flipping over to the Drakensberg, and again I put this on one of those type pages. It definitely needs that 1/2 inch gap, and again I've got a lot of space, so I've done some decorating, and then there's some places where I haven't. Okay, and onto this side I need some more ideas of decorating pages. Free state, and then a pocket. You obviously can do what you will and include what you will and leave out what you don't want. So that is my Mzanzi album. It's, like I said, it's just around 10 inches by 10 inches, but with a 2-inch spine. I will put the YouTube link to the first class directly underneath in the comments on this one. And then I think there are going to be about 6 or 7 videos on this one. Hope you enjoy it.